you want to talk to Ogechi Njaka with all the supporters in the issue regarding Ogechi Njaka and the late Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah, and also the abuse and disrespect that you have sent a message across to the world, coming directly, message pointing, fingers pointing at Zion Ministry, which the spiritual director of Prophet Ebuka Obi is the spiritual director of Zion Ministry. And I want to say this in a quote: the very wide space, the earth, so many birds have a right to fly everywhere that suits you on the earth, because the sky is large enough to contain all. Ogechi Njaka, I had some few word and some few advice to give you because of next time. Because you see, this word you have drawn, it's not an easy word. It's not a word you think you can just go scot-free. Sometimes there is a word of a spirit, and it's a word of those that are still alive. Why do I want to tell you this? Because number one, for people that don't understand English, my name is Royal Majesty Igwe Agugbola Oledo. I'm still the Igbo, one of United Arab Emirates, no matter how you twist it. FJ the King is still the music name. Ancient and rugged prophet existing on earth. My point is this: Ogechi Njaka, why I say you are abuse and insult Zion Ministry is this. Obodo Telaka in Igbo land, when they are in so. I was once a member of FBI, but many of you don't know. Before I worked for International Detective. Ogechi Njaka, one thing you don't know is that Obodo Telaka when they are in so. I'm not talking of the issues of you and JPAC, saga, whatever thing. I am not a man of saga. I don't believe in all this saga. I believe that spiritual control the physical. Why I'm upset in this video is that the video has trended so much that so many people have been calling me on phone, calling me some message, even some that is having this biased mind about Zion Ministry. Some that having a polluted mind about Zion Ministry. Some of them are saying that this Ogechi Njaka video that trending everywhere, that is like Zion people have ordered Ogechi Njaka to delete the video, that she have deleted the video from her page, that it's like you people have ordered her to delete the video. I say order Ogechi Njaka is what I cannot tell you in details. Deleting of the video, I don't know her page, but I will check her page to know if the video is still there or not. And this point is this: Ogechi Njaka, you are posting a lot of Zion videos, sharing Zion videos. Thank you for doing that. God bless you for doing that. You are sharing the good work of Prophet Ebuka Obi, that God is using him to do prophecy with solution. God has brought him to do. But let me remind you something. Late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah is a Zion son. Late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah is one of the Zion lovers and supporters. Late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah have done some certain thing to show his love to Zion Ministry, which Prophet Ebuka Obi appreciated everything that God have used Senator Ifeanyi Ubah to do in Zion Ministry. He appreciated it publicly. He felt so bad when Ifeanyi Ubah died. He made a comment. He see the vision when they want to assassinate Ifeanyi Ubah. He spoke to my senior brother, who happened to be his manager, before and also currently was his general manager of Ifeanyi. He spoke to him about the prophecy because he don't want to announce it publicly. Ogechi Njaka, you are sharing Zion messages. You are supporting Zion ministry. Sharing messages, saga, this one, defensive, and every other thing. And you know that Prophet Ebukobi like Ifeanyi a lot. Always pray for him for some other things and some other prayer support. So many people now asking question. If Ifeanyi is a very big gay, like you called him, a dead man that have wife, have children, have daughters that is watching what you posted, when will you grow to be a woman? To begin to have children that call you mama, mama, we need this. When will you grow to have those that look up to you as a mother? And they watch the video, you're talking, you're trying to mess JPAC up out of jealousy or out of anything, I don't know. Or maybe envy that people come to his wedding, or envy that JPAC got married, or envy that you guys are not close the way you used to be. It's not my business. My business is that name, Zion Ministry, you're sharing the video. And that prophet, that is Prophet Ebukobi, that people knows that late Senator Ifeanyi happened to be the son of Zion, one of the son of Zion. And people have seen Prophet Ebukobi talking about Ifeanyi. Now the question from so many people, even some native doctors that call and some people that call, is this: Agugbola, is Ogechi doing you people a favor because his video is trending everywhere and he's still sharing Zion video? And the same person that Prophet Ebukobi says that always pray for, how come Prophet Ebukobi have not seen that Ifeanyi is a very big gay, that he's sleeping with a JPAC, he's sleeping with other people that you put in quotes? How come Ifeanyi is a Zion close son, Zion close personnel, and Prophet Ebukobi have not reviewed it? Does it mean that it's only those that he doesn't like, he always want to call out them cases? Or does it mean that it's those that he doesn't prefer them doings, that he always want to call them cases? I say, but I don't understand. Prophet Ebukobi is not afraid of anybody. When God give him a prophecy to say, he will say it, and he will say it the way it is. If you feel that there is something that will bring a scandal to you when he mention your name fully, he will say, take off the camera, let this person come. Please, camera, don't get his face, get his leg. Many people can testify to this. Many people can witness to this. All these native doctors that call me, some of these people that call me, all these haters that call me, that was asking me that question, does it mean that he does not see about Ifeanyi knowing that he's gay? Even when Ifeanyi is close to JPAC, and even when JPAC is talking about Zion ministry, does it mean that Prophet Ebukobi is not seeing that JPAC is a gay? Why can't him say that? And you people are still saying Zion we move. No, we are not Zion we move. We are Zion we fly. We fly to the higher level above the expectations of the enemies. Let me tell you one thing you don't know about prophets. If you're too close to prophets, it's not everything that a prophet will see. Quote me anywhere you want to quote me. If you are too close to a strong man of God, it's not everything he will see. But when something painful, something terrible want to happen to you, he will have the sign, and either he will start binding, praying, or he will send you a message, or he will call you to tell you, be careful, calamity is about to before you. Ogechi Njaka, doing the video that is trending to cause people to start calling me, saying all this kind of thing they are saying, is it the right thing to do? No, is it? I know they say that some of them say that it's like Zion have paid you money to bring down the video. Zion do not pay any money to anybody, and Zion will not do that. Zion is too big to pay money to Ogechi to bring down a video that is talking about a dead man. The dead man, Senator Ifeanyi has people. He has sons and daughters. He has those that he have empowered that can look for you anywhere in the whole world to bring you to book, to come and bring evidence of this biggest allegation. That's why I made a comment. No bodo telaka when they're in so. Australia is very, very far. But not when Australia have 2 minutes to away from them ways. Or when Australia have 30 minutes away. But not the very far. You see from Enugu State. In Kano East, my village, to drive to Australia. Or when they're the very far. But not when they're the very, very close. You are in America. You are in anywhere you are in a part of any part of the world. It's not difficult to bring you to the book. It's not difficult to arrest you. As me being the former member of FBI, which I am not closed chapter. I am still current that if I have a signal in my phone with a picture, there is this person that they are looking for. If I got information, I will send the information straight ahead, because I am still a full member of UN, United Nations. No restricted. I am still not retired detective officer in United Arab Emirates. I am not a retired. But I am under suspension for some certain reasons, which I am not meant to tell you here. But what am I saying here? Sometimes, if you or did to lighter, don't say because you're trying to be jealous or now we're here celebrating a mother. No, we're equal, we're not mother. You were a unu were equal, unu were personate unu or so called soon as unu nobu. Unu were a fufute and ama, near Kuhema de Kuhi unon. If I know bad with his blessed memories, even if I know bad nondo, you give me this kind of comment. In the kind of prison in anywhere in the whole world, if you take $30 million to bring you to the book, to bring evidence, Ifeanyi, we do it. But even if as Ifeanyi is late, there is so many sons and daughters that can fight this battle, and you must bring to book. Mark this word. It's not over yet until it's over. Because it will get Ogechi Njaka, but and all the whole lizard in the they must come to conflict. Mark this word. In a no one get defeated. No, you lie. Come on, my little darling, you lie. No, that's where you got it wrong. You turn it on wrong, girl. 100% you got wrong thinking, wrong idea, wrong memories. Wrong credible bonds of thinkings. You got your purple wrong, girl. Because come rain, come shine, anywhere you are, girl, you must come answer for the queries. For the queries you bring up to yourself. No one is there pushing you to ride on. You are there instigating yourself to push you on the queries. Because you think you got people. You got strong witnesses, you got evidence, you got couragers. But let me tell you for free, it got the case. Ogechi Njaka, it got the case of taking a video that's trending everywhere, thinking that you want to disgrace JPAC. You're trying to fool JPAC, and you brought the name of Ifeanyi radical. Is senator of Republic of Nigeria. You brought to a book of blackmailing, because now police will say, remain there while we are doing investigation. You have brought yourself to book out of jealousy, out of envy. So sorry, those people that are saying that Zion paid the Ogechi to bring the video down. Zion do not pay anybody. Zion do not pay anybody to bring the video down from Ogechi page. Because Onwu na-egbu nkịta a na-ekwu ya n'isisi nshi. Ọ na-arụ nshi n'eshi. Nkịta na-asụ ime sọkwụrụ ọ na-aka eke oge igbu onwe. Mana enweghị ihe nkịta ga-eme ka ọ dị n'ahụ firi ihe gbasara ihe o ji ọnụ ekwutere onwe. Adị m responsible na ihe m ji ọnụ m kwutere onwe m. Ọ bụghị n'otu uwe nọ. Ihe ọ bụla iji ọnụ kpatara onwe isi ike iji eji evure. Ọ bụ na ifutu at once ije ihe nje. That's a drop on nke ifutere bịa vuru ọzọ until ime gịnị ifu kaa ya. Na-ewekwa ya n'aha ka mama na aha kwa. Na ihe iji ọnụ gị futere onwe gị bụ ihe na-apa n'isi. Na-enweghị ndị human being dị ndụ na-abịa asị oke na ọdụwọ ka ọ ga-adị mba enweghị ihe ọ na-adị ka ọ ga-adị. Because you step into so many toes in this speech. You insulted the family of Ifanyoba. You insulted the Nnewi people at large. You insulted the whole Nnewi people. You insulted the people of Anambra State. You know how many people that Ifanyoba have put food in them tables? Do you know how many people that Ifanyoba have put smile on their faces? Some churches, some seats, some big men today. You woke up to start using the name of the hero that just died to ridicule because you feel like I don't have nothing to tell you, but when the time comes to tell you, we'll tell you that no matter where you are, you must fish out to the book. America has no law to blackmail. There's no law in America says that you can go ahead and blackmail somebody without evidence and you go scot-free. No, my darling, you gonna know scot-free, baby. No, you gonna do that. You're not gonna do that. Trust me. I grant you 100%. You go nowhere. Sure. I promise you that. I promise you that. Inshallah. You go in. Mashallah. Mashallah. Approach. Share my video. I want this video to turn around. Let people know that Zion do not pay anybody to bring a video. And Zion was not a part of Ogechi insulting Ifanyoba, like what you were saying. Zion is not part of Ogechi insulting Ifanyoba. No, we are not ungrateful people like you people are saying that we are ungrateful people. That yesterday we are praising Ifanyoba, today we are supporting our member to insult late Ifanyoba. We are not supporting Ogechi. Zion, we are not doing that. We are not doing that. I can beat my chest anywhere, anytime to tell you we are not in support of Ogechi. God bless you. Share my video and God bless you all for understanding this truth. The truth must set you free. And whoever that truth set free, you are excellently free. Don't forget, I'm still the CEO of Attitude Unit Gold Class. This is our things we must protect. I love you.